In front of me is CUBOT King Kong X, and today I would like to show you how you can add passwords to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google, tap on Continue and select Google Password Manager. Now it's time to add a password by hitting Add Password and inputting all of those informations. At the top, any website you want. Or, if you wish, click on Select App and just tap on one of those. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!